The Green Iftar. The concept of the Green Iftar arose from the desperate need for our communities to pay closer attention to their diets and how they choose to nurture their bodies. We often witness precipitated, unhealthy eating behaviours in the month of Ramadan, including a high consumption of deep fried foods, meat and high sugar products, as well as overeating and wastage. Ramadan is a month of coming together in the form of a regular gathering, usually daily, at the time of Iftar. Women, men and children open their fasts in a communal meal. Our initiative is simple and easy, where we ask each centre to invite their members to feast in a green iftar for at least one night of the holy month. What is a green iftar? The green iftar is a symbolic representation and reminder to us all regarding our responsibility towards our bodies and the environment around us. It is simply providing an alternative. There are 3 guiding principles in holding a green iftar. Number 1, healthy. To encourage the serving of a meal with reduced saturated fat, reduced carbohydrate, reduced sugar and reduced salt content, and on the other hand, to increase our fruit and vegetable consumption. Suggested recipes of those used in previous campaigns can be found on the Google Drive folder titled Green Iftar. Number 2, environmental. To encourage the serving of meals with reduced or no meat content. Beef consumption on average produces 24 times more greenhouse gases than rice and vegetables. To encourage the use of tayyib meat as opposed to just halal meat. Tayyib is a word in the Quran which always follows halal and is translated as wholesome. It also considers the source of animals, the types of farms they come from, and their living conditions. There is a movement to ensure we are considering these aspects as well, with a rise in Muslim farmers who are supplying halal tayyib meat which you can source locally. To initiate a zero waste policy, encouraging recycling and reusing. To find out about the current practices of your centre in this regard and the possibility of improvement. This could include encouraging the use of biodegradable material, or even better, the reduced use of disposable material. During the month of Ramadan, we have a very high consumption of cutlery, plates and cups for serving the iftar meal. Encouraging members to bring their own cutlery, tableware or mugs can have a massive impact. We have seen previous initiatives such as the Bring Your Own Mug initiative rolled out across mosques successfully. If you think about it, if only one person in each community decides to bring their own mug, that is a minimum of 30 cups saved for the whole month. Imagine the numbers we would have if this was taken up by the whole community. Number 3, ethical. Encourage the purchase of products from ethical sources. This includes fair trade, organic and free-range products. food drives. This would involve holding a stall throughout the month and asking your community members to donate non-perishable food items throughout the month. At the end of the month, the items would be donated to a local food bank. Such a campaign is already happening across UK universities, hosted by Ahlul Bayt Islamic societies on an annual basis. This campaign is called the Hungry for Justice campaign and has been faced with spectacular welcome and results. Please refer to the Hungry for Justice page on social media for further tips and advice on holding a food drive. The last point to note is that, like every other aspect of the Ramadan health awareness campaign, the Green Iftar should be tailored specifically to the needs and wants of your centre. The guiding principles are only there for your reference. You may choose to use as many or as few as the guidances as you wish. Finally, if you would like to view photos of our previous Green Iftars, please visit the Ramadan Health Awareness Campaign Facebook page.
Health material explained. Each centre participating in the Ramadan Health Awareness Campaign is encouraged to distribute health material that will strengthen attendees' understanding of health topics and signpost them to organisations that will be able to help them further beyond the campaign. We have partnered with several organisations to provide relevant, up-to-date and appealing health material to our community. Ask your centre for permission to hold a health stall throughout the month of Ramadan. You can display the health material and provide an opportunity for attendees to ask any questions regarding the campaign. The stall can be displayed throughout the whole month, or on particular days only, or during your health screening day. The higher the frequency of the health stall display, the more community members you are likely to engage. Most centres have plenty of health material remaining from the 2016 campaign. Please liaise with your centre representative from last year to locate your health material locally. You can also download health material online for free via our partner organisation. For example, the British Heart Foundation, Diabetes UK, Mind UK and the Mental Health Foundation.